Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James and today I'm going to be doing a fashion haul. Now this time I did buy this stuff all together, so it is a haul technically. So our recent pickups, this is a haul. So without further ado, let's get into this. Okay, so I went to TopMan and it sucked me in as it always does with their new in Instagram story. So I'd seen a few things that I was like, okay, I like that. So I went on just to, have a little look. So I ended up going to TopMan, added a few things to my cart, deleted a lot of it, kept a few things, added a few more things back in, got rid of a few more things, and then I ended up with the cart that I bought. So yeah, it's not a massive haul, but it's still, some really cool pieces. I don't think that I've ever been this happy with purchases in like my whole life. Like this is a delivery that like everything that came I was just so happy with, and it literally just came yesterday. Like last night when I came in from work, I seen it and opened it up and tried some pieces on, and I was amazed and so happy. So I cannot wait to show you guys. I'm gonna start with my biggest steal. Okay, so I got this jacket. Okay, it's navy and it has like a white and blue chevron kind of, arrow thing in the middle here, and I got this on sale. This was originally a 120 euros. I got it for 20 euros, so saved 100 euros. So I mean, am I winning? Yes. I just love this short jacket so much. When I seen it at first, I was like, I wasn't I wasn't in love at first sight, but the longer it was in my cart, the more I was like, this is a really good deal. And like I got it, tried it on, and it fits like a glove. Like it fits me perfectly, just the way I wanted to fit, and it's so soft and so warm, and like, oh, it's gonna be perfect like for winter, because we're coming into that season soon, and you gotta be prepared. So get yourself a jacket. Okay, next item is this beautiful turtleneck. Now those of you who know me know I love a good turtleneck during winter time, well, fall time, winter time. And I have a white one, a blue one, I have a like bronzy sparkly one, just to judge up a bit. I also have like, yeah, I have a grey one. I have a grey one as well. Don't have a black one, that's next on my list, but I decided to get this stone one. I seen this is the thing that drew me into TopMan in the first place, because I seen it on their on their Instagram stories. So I went on and I found it and I picked them, put it into my cart, and I'm so happy I did, because it just is so nice. I mean, does it wash me out? Kind of, but you know what, we're gonna get past that. Yeah, but I already have outfits envisioned for this. It goes really nice with a new pair of sunglasses I got. Yes, I got sunglasses as well. Okay, next item is this mustard colored shirt. This is a twill shirt, if you will. That's what it's labeled as on the site. I don't even know what that even means, but it's called a twill shirt. I got it in size large because I wanted it to be like, oversized, because I wanted to wear like over hoodies or over like tops and stuff, or over turtlenecks when winter comes around, because it's light, but like it's not like heavy. It's nice quality. I love the color. I don't have much colored items like in my wardrobe, so I just thought it'd be fun to introduce them for this next season. Okay, okie dokie. And then I also got a pair of new jeans. I love jeans. I wear jeans all the time, so I just thought it was smart, to like maybe buy some more pairs. So I have this. I need to get a new pair of black jeans. That's what I really actually need to get. But you need to get stuff. You don't want to get it. You kind of just want to get stuff that like you don't need and like is fun and exciting. So I got this pair from Levi's. It's from the low ball range. It's 512's low ball, which basically means, if for those of you who don't know what the Levi's names mean, low ball basically means that they are tighter at the bottom. So normal jeans, they kind of flare out just so your ankle can fit through easy enough, but these ones, it's just a continuous thickness, like width, the whole way from like the thigh all the way to the ankle. So it's like a continuous kind of goes in tighter at the ankle. So that's what a low ball means. because when I seen it I was like, what does a lowball mean? Okay guys, then let's get on to some more exciting things, shall we? So I got 2 new pairs of sunglasses. This is the first pair. They come in a little pouch like this. They're from a brand called Jeepers Peepers, which I think is really clever and like really fun. So yeah, they look like this. They're so cute. Oh my god. Okay, right. Are you ready? Like, I mean, are these not the coolest sunglasses you have ever seen in your life? Because if they aren't, I don't know what is. Like, these are just so cool. Like, I'm sorry. Well, like, looking at you, no, because you can't see me, okay? I was talking to myself, like, ah! Wow, like, I just love them so much. But I think the shape is, like, really interesting and cool. And I see, like, the kind of metallic around the outside. I think that's just, like, really cool detail. Yeah, hi. Oh, hi. Hi there. I didn't see you there, sorry. I was just, like, you know, blocking you out with my new sunglasses, so sorry. Okay, I also got a pair from the brand called QUAY, and I bought these on like unknowing the fact that it was a collaboration with Desi Perkins, so that's pretty cool. It comes in like a clear little box, like glasses case like this. It also comes with, you know, a little cloth, you know, to keep the lenses clean. I actually wore these today and they were so cool. So, you know, this is them before they're on, okay? You open them up and boom, we're in business. Like, this is like, you know, that, you know, moment. Isn't it like just, ah! Like, look at the size of these, they're so cool and oversized, and I just love that look. You can see like the ring light in the middle, like, how funny does that look? But yeah, I love these. I love the size of them. I thought these would be really good, you know, for them hangover days, or like, you know, if you want to feel like a boss, you know, walk around town or whatever, or just driving your car. I just love how like they slope down. Oh, I'm just obsessed. Like, they just fit so nicely, and I need like big glasses, I think, because when I wear small like sunglasses, it just make my face look so fat, and like, you know, that's, I'm not about that. So I like to get like, you know, bigger sunglasses. And also sometimes sunglasses don't fit, like, you know, here they don't go all the way back long enough. So, you know, I'm so glad that these ones do. And like, I'm just looking at myself right now, I'm just like, wow, so cool. Who is coolest? I don't know, but it's not me. Anyway, that's my sunglasses. Now I feel like so naked on my face ever since I took these off. I might just keep them on for the rest of the video, shall I? No, that's just rude. But like, also, I mean, do I care with these on? No. Okay guys, that's everything I got on TopMan. I'm just like really excited about everything I got. Like, I'm just really happy, like, with everything. Like, I'm happy with every single thing that I got, and that never happens. Normally I'm kind of like, you know, a bit kind of like, do I need that? No. But this time around, I'm very happy. Very, very happy. So my favorite item, the sunglasses. I am obsessed, if you can't already tell. Like, I'm so excited about them. I like literally am so excited to wear them. But like my outfits, I was like picturing myself, you know, because I'm like, I have a few things on this coming, you know, season that I need to look like a boss for. So be excited. Anyway guys, that's my fashion haul. I really hope you enjoyed. Please let me know what your favorite piece was down in the comments. You know, do you like watching these fashion haul videos? Because I love making them. Obviously I get to buy new clothes, so who wouldn't like making these types of videos? But I really enjoyed. Please like, comment and subscribe. And also, before you go, don't forget to hit that little notification bell to be notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.